Hello, everyone. My name is Jamie Bermejo, and I am an advisor for the SDSU Talent Search Program.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Gerardo Chagoya, and I am an advisor for the SCSU Talent Search Program.
Today, we're going to be talking to you about how to create an OpenCCC account. Before moving forward, these are a few things that we want you to keep in mind. If you are dual enrolled in a college course in high school currently, make sure that you check if you already have an OpenCC account within your email. If you already do and you forgot how to log in, then you will just have to use the forgot user/password function in order to move forward.
So again, for this first part of your application process, you will be creating an OpenCC account. But before you even begin with anything, I want to encourage all of you who are considering applying to community colleges to think about what community college you're planning on attending, because there's a lot of factors that can come into play, such as location, the various programs. So keep all of that in mind, and even the distance. And lastly, I want to mention that if you're thinking about applying to community colleges, you only need one application. And there's various districts. The district for City, Mesa, and Miramar only requires one application, so you can be able to take classes at their 3 locations. So keep that in mind.
Next, we're going to move forward with actually beginning the process of creating an OpenCC account. So in order to begin your application for your community college, you will need to access the openccc.net website, and you will click on Create Account. Once you click on that, it will redirect you to this page right here, which we have a screenshot of. You will click on Begin Creating My Account on the bottom left corner. You will need to have the following email addresses in order to be able to sign up successfully.
So for this next part of this application process, what you need to do is enter your legal name. So we recommend is for you to enter your legal name as stated on legal documents. I would recommend, if you have a social security number, social security card, to use your name entered there onto your account. That way all your information can match, and that way all the information is consistent.
Moving forward, you're going to be adding your contact information on page 2. So it is important to note that community colleges will contact you with important messages throughout the semester, which is why you really have to input your most updated cell phone information. You are able to add a second telephone number, however, that is optional. So if you're comfortable with just adding your own, then make sure you input that info and authorize the text messages to be sent to your cell phone.
For this part, you will be creating a username and password, so it's very important for you to follow the instructions that are listed below each one of these categories. For example, under username, it gives you instructions of what should be used to create a username, such as letters, numbers, special characters, and a minimum of 6 characters in general. So follow those instructions so you're not stuck in this section doing double the work. So make sure that you do the same for password. And lastly, it will ask for you to create a security PIN. And overall, make sure that after you complete all of this, for you to save these bits of information somewhere for your records.
Now you are at the finalization of your account. So now that you've completed all of the previous steps, you are all done. So it is a super short process. Now that you're done, you're going to have to make sure to click continue to view your official account information. Make sure you take a picture or save the image on your computer once it is all done for your records. And now you can move forward with actually submitting your specific community college application. If you don't know how to submit it, then you can refer to our separate video about how to complete it, which you can view on our Talent Search website or on our YouTube channel. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching.
Thank you.